Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to run a one-sample t-test in SPSS. In this example, our variable of interest is customer satisfaction. The higher the value, the higher the customer satisfaction level. The scale was from 1 to 10, so we can treat it as continuous. Now, in the one-sample t-test, you are going to test against a specified value. It's a value that you specify. So we want to know if the population estimate is different from your specified value. For this example, let's say the scale, as it was from 1 to 10, is 5. We want to know if our estimate is different from 5 because this is roughly in the middle of the scale. So we want to know if customer satisfaction levels are just there or different from that. To run the analysis, click Analyze, Compare Means, One Sample T-Test. Transfer your variable of interest to the test variable field. Then you can specify your test value. For us, this was 5. The other options are left as they are, and you can simply click OK. Now you have some descriptives of the sample, like the mean or standard deviation, and you can already see that the mean is higher than the test value we specified, but here you have the formal test. So here the test value we specified is repeated, and the statistical results tell us here the t-value, degrees of freedom, and the according p-value. This value is lower than 0.05 and also lower than 0.01, so this is highly significant. So you see that the estimate is significantly different from 5, so we can also say that it's higher because we see that the mean here is higher and the mean difference is also given. So the result is significant. Thanks for watching. See you next time.